For pregnancy to happen, we need an egg, a sperm, and their successful union. The male reproductive system creates sperms and female reproductive system creates eggs. But do you know that these two systems work very differently? Females ovulate while males do not. But before we talk about ovulation, let's understand a bit about menstrual cycle. Your menstrual cycle starts on the first day of your periods and ends on the first day of your next period. The average length of this cycle falls typically between 28 to 32 days. So what happens in those 28 days? A lot, in fact, and it can be divided into different phases. The participants of this cycle are the reproductive organs: ovary, fallopian tube, uterus, and vagina. Think of it as an apartment, where uterus is the hall, ovary is the kitchen, and the fallopian tube is the passage between the hall and the kitchen. And staying in this apartment is the egg and the various hormones to help it. These hormones work in tandem throughout the cycle. Let us see how, one by one. In phase 1, the lining of the womb is shed in a process that we commonly call as getting periods or menstruation. When phase 2 kicks in around the 7th day, two events start at the same time. In the ovary, a new egg starts maturing, whereas the uterus starts putting inner wall linings to get ready for the new egg. Around the 14th day, there is a surge in the luteinizing hormone. Think of this as a phone call to kitchen to release the matured egg. This surge is crucial in planning pregnancy. And when the egg finally enters the fallopian tube, this event is called ovulation. Once the egg is released, it stays in the fallopian tube for 24 hours and waits for the sperm to fertilize it. Because the egg lives only for this short term, ovulation is that one day in the brief window of 5 to 6 days when your body's chance to conceive is the highest. On the other hand, a sperm has a life of 5 to 6 days inside the uterus. Hence, having sex before and during ovulation increases chances of conception drastically. If sperm and egg meet, pregnancy should happen and your cycles will stop. If it does not get fertilized, the egg degrades and your body will prepare for starting your period in the next 14 days. For this reason, tracking ovulation dates during your menstrual cycle is the most important step towards planning pregnancy. And that's what we will learn in the next video. I know ovulation strips, the simplest way to track ovulation at home. Call us or reach out to us to know more.